Hurricane winds of 144 kilometers per hour recorded in the last hours of this Monday, according to the Balearic Meteorological Agency. 325 serious damage, 314 in Mallorca, 7 in Ibiza, 3 in Menorca and 1 in Formentera, most of which occurred in Palma. Uprooted trees, broken palms, and knocked down lamp posts. This is the result of the storm that hit the island. According to the rescue service, the wind force reached 144 kilometers per hour. In a couple of hours of gusty hurricane wind, numerous falls of eaves and roof elements, as well as falling trees and flying objects from terraces and balconies, damaged hundreds of cars and damaged shop windows and awnings of shops and cafes. In Palma, the famous church of Santa Eulalia was damaged. There were collapses at the top of the belfry. According to the clergy, there were no casualties or injuries as debris fell onto the terrace of the building. Due to strong gusts of wind, the Palma City Council has decided to temporarily close all parks in the capital of the Balearic Islands, including the Forest Park near Belver Castle, the Royal Gardens, and the Sagrera Promenade.